Hey guys, welcome to Blender 2.8 tips for beginners. This is tip number 2, extruding and beveling. Let's open up a new scene. Ctrl N to open up a new scene. So we have a cube. Now we can go to edit mode. When we go to edit mode, you will see a few tools opening up here. So you can see if we go to object mode, they are not there. So these options are only available in edit mode. So if you select a face like that, there is this option here called extrude. So if you click on it, you get this plus sign, and if you click on that and drag up, you can see that is called extruding. So it's basically just making a duplicate or extending a face you have selected while keeping it connected to the original face. You can also select this. Under that, there is other options here, and if you drag on that tool there, you can see we have a few other options here. So there is extrude along normals. So if we select, say, this, so you can't really see that much. So if you select, we need to select like 3 faces, like that many faces at an angle to see the effect. So you see, that is how it's extruding the faces along the normals. So if you don't know what a normal is just the direction where that face is facing, or where that edge is facing. So let me see if I can turn on those normals here. The settings changed, so I would have to first, let's see, measure normals. So you see overlay. So you see this face is facing that direction. This face is facing this direction. So that thing, that kind of bluish green color there, line you see there, is showing the direction of the normal. So these ones here are showing the direction of the normal for the edge and vertex. So if we go to vertex mode and let's get the move tool, you see the direction of this face is changing. So if we extrude along the normals, so maybe let's select this face here. Let's go to face mode, select this face and this face and this face, and use this extrude along the normals. You see it is extruding following the direction of each normal for every face that is selected. Let's say we extrude just in the normal direction using the normal tool. You see now it is not taking the direction of the normals in consideration. That's why you see it is just going into one direction every time we extrude. But now if we change to extrude along the normals, you see how it does. That is extruding each face to face along its normal. Now we have other options here. Extrude in videos. So this is just extruding in video faces, no matter how much selections you have. Each face will be extruded individually. So if we get the move tool, you can see, though we have these, we selected these at the same time and extruded, each face that was selected was extruded independently. But if we don't have that option on and we have just extrude region, let's select this face here. Let me just show you before we extrude them that these are still connected faces, as you see. But if we just extrude in the normal way, so if we select these, you see these faces, each face you see is still connected to the next face. But if we use extrude in video, we are separating those faces. that. I'm not sure how long this has been, but we also have this option to extrude to cursor. Let's see, we have, let's just delete this, add the cube, go to edit mode, select the face. You see, for this, whenever you click anywhere, the face is extruded to where you point, where you click. So this could be very important. This could be very useful in case you are, so you're not limited to only extruding faces. You can also extrude vertices or edges. So if we go to edit mode, you can select, you can go to vertex mode, select that, and make sure you have extrude to cursor, and you just snap everywhere, and that extrusion will follow the cursor. Same with faces, with edges. So this can be very useful when you're creating, say maybe a road. Let's add a plane, go to edge mode, then you can create our road without a lot of hassle. I think this has gone on too far, so we will look at the bevel in the next video.